Hey everybody, this is a video response to Kirkvsg. It's what's in your fridge right now. Don't mind my fridge because it's dirty on the outside, therefore you know it is going to be dirty as hell in the inside. I've been wanting to clean my fridge for like ever, so maybe this embarrassment will cause me to do it. Alright, let's see what's over here. Garlic, my kids' jellies, shrimp sauce, reduced sugar ketchup, I can't believe, my egg beaters, fat-free half and half, my pumpkin spice. It is my last jar of this shit, which I am like so sad because I had like 10 of them in my fridge. Just quick, some eggs, chicken I'm going to fry up for fajitas, chocolates for my kids. He got that fish for Christmas and he won't eat it because he thinks it looks too cool. The yogurt shelf, V8, some diet cranberry, pomegranate and cranberry, celery, portobellos, salsa, some beers hanging out in there, salad, carrots, some other stuff, let's see, apples and oranges. In here we got some string cheese, turkey pepperoni, deli, ham, turkey and cheese, stuff for my fajitas cut up, baby bells, cheese, turkey sausage, some Premier protein drinks back there, some other isopure craps that I got when I had surgery that suck. Over here, oh yes, here's my liquid vitamins that I take, Balanced Essentials. Next shelf, just a whole slew of shit. Bunch of, I just got these, whoa shit, yogurt dressings, and for 2 tablespoons they're 45 calories, so I look forward to trying those out. Alright, now let's go to the bottom. My freezer is gross, I know it is, it's dirty. Some chickens, mahi, some fish on wooden planks, some salmon on wooden planks, which I love. For the kids, chicken strips, tenderloins. Up here, it's all like shrimps and vegetables, steamers, and all stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. That's my food haul. Thanks.